Hey, Wits and Weights family, Philip Pape here, dropping a quick bonus episode for Tuesday with two things to talk about. The first is progressive overload, and the second is announcing the winner of this month's giveaway for free protein for submitting your 5-star review to Apple. So we'll get to that. I'll announce that toward the end of the quick episode. But talking about progressive overload, when someone starts lifting weights for the first time with the goal to build strength, build muscle, they want to improve their physique, maybe they're looking for fat loss to complement their nutrition. One of the earliest questions is, how the heck do I progress? Is this program for strength or is it hypertrophy? What even is that? What is progressive overload? And one of the simplest answers that I have for you is simply progressive overload is an approach to your training where you're challenging yourself a little bit more each time in the gym. Now, that's very high level. That's very generic. When we break it down to specific training variables, that's where things get more objective. Are we increasing the weight? Are we increasing the reps? Are we increasing the sets? Or are we even keeping all of those consistent and actually increasing the perceived intensity? The other thing about progressive overload is it gets confused because of the term overload. We're not actually overloading, right? We are actually pushing the limits of our current capability and telling our bodies that we need to expand that capability for next time. So we're not really forcing anything. We're actually simply working within what we have and then able to progress that over time. Anyway, I wanted to drop this episode because today in Physique University for our live coaching call, which we do every other week on a Tuesday, I'm going over this exact topic. I'm going over the details about when and how you should increase weights, sets, reps, intensity, the training variables, the different scenarios based on your training level, based on your type of program, and so that you can do it on your own. Even if you have a program from somebody or you're working with a trainer or you're working on your own, understanding the right way to do it so you get the most out of your training. And as always, Physique University is free for the first 2 weeks, so it'd be kind of crazy not to just jump in and try it out. You could definitely cancel anytime within the first 2 weeks. Of course, I hope you'll find the tremendous value in not only the coaching call, which, by the way, is not just training, but it's a live Q&A, it's live coaching, it's kind of like office hours, but you also get all the other goodies that come with the program, including a custom nutrition plan that I put together for you, monthly workouts, monthly challenges. In fact, today we are starting the June challenge, which is called Meal Prep Mayhem. And it's all about meal planning and meal prep and getting you to do that consistently so you can avoid decision fatigue, emotional eating, and also hit your macros. So that's really all I'm going to say about it. If you want to check out Physique University and come to the live training today, it's at 1 p.m. Eastern, but the replay is going to be available shortly thereafter, which you can download anytime. There's also an entire course library about physique development and fat loss, menopause fat loss, calories, everything that makes it far more valuable than its cost. Again, your first 2 weeks are free. Click the link in the show notes or go to witsandweights.com/physique. All right, let's talk about the winner of this month's review. Every month going forward, we're going to give away a free protein supplement of choice to anyone who submits a 5-star review and gets their name entered into a drawing. And then I announce the winner on the podcast. If you are the winner, please send me an email, Philip with 1L at witsandweights.com, and to claim your prize. And this month's winner is X-Drunk Mike. X-Drunk Mike is the username. Def worth listening to this show. Excuse me. Recently found this show, don't even remember how, but has immediately become one of my go-to health, fitness, nutrition podcasts. If you like Mind Pump or Mike Matthews, you most likely will enjoy Wits and Weights. Straightforward and easy to understand advice and guidance. Already downloaded and love MacroFactor, one of Philip's recommendations. Definitely worth a shot. And if you're not sure what MacroFactor is, it's a food logging app. It's the only app on the market that actually calculates your metabolism. So it makes it easy to hit your goals. It's what I use with clients, and we use it in Physique University as well. So if you want to learn how to track that and use it properly and deal with all the situations that come up, that's another great reason to join Physique University. Anyway, that's it for this week. X-Drunk Mike, send me an email and claim your prize. The rest of you, I hope to see you in Physique University for the live call today or soon to check out the replay and say hello in the community. Make sure to stay strong. Make sure to use your wits, use your weights, and I'll see you next time.